Here's how to download Pinterest videos in the gallery in less than 2 minutes. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. At the bottom of your screen, tap on the search icon. Now, tap on the search bar at the top. Here, type anything you like, such as food recipes for instance, and search for it. Browse through the results and open the video you want to download. Once the video is playing, look below and tap on the 3 dots icon. Here, just tap on Copy Link to copy the video URL to your clipboard. Next, exit the Pinterest app and open any browser like Safari or Chrome. In the search bar at the top, type Pinterest Video Downloader and hit search. You'll see several websites. Just open any one of them. Once the website loads, you'll find a box asking for the link. Tap and paste the link you copied earlier. Then hit the download button. Once video is downloaded to the server, tap on Download the video. Give it a second, and your video will start downloading directly to your gallery. If you open the Downloads page on your browser, you can see the downloaded video. If you exit the browser and go to the Photos app, you'll see the downloaded Pinterest video in your gallery. And that's it.